Question 6. A rope with a length of 3.5 meters is tied from a stake in the ground to the top of a tent. It forms a 17-degree angle with the ground. How tall is the tent? So I always think it's best to kind of draw a picture. When you think about a rope tied to the top of the tent from the ground, it's going to be the hypotenuse of that triangle. And we want to know how tall the tent is, which means that we are looking for the altitude, which means that we need to find the distance perpendicular to the ground. So right here, this is the value that we need to figure out right here. So we also know it gave us information. It said that it forms a 17-degree angle with the ground. So theta, which is down here, is going to be 17 degrees. And also we know that the length of this rope is 3.5 meters. So if this is theta, we want to label our triangle based on that. So here's our hypotenuse, this is our opposite, here's our adjacent. The adjacent we don't need. There's no information coming from that side of the triangle. So we're looking at the trig function that uses opposite and hypotenuse, which is sine. So sine of theta is equal to the opposite over the hypotenuse. So we're just going to start filling in what we know. Theta is 17. The opposite is x, and the hypotenuse is 3.5. So remember, when x is on the top, we multiply both sides by 3.5. So x is going to be equal to 3.5 times the sine of 17, which is this one right here.